Malacanang assures that the administration of President Aquino continues to exercise diligent and careful spending of public funds under the tuwid governance. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma also said that the budget spending by all government agencies can be found in the website of the Department of Budget and Management. Secretary Coloma made the assurance in response to claims by former Senator Panfilo Lacson that the 2015 budget contains at least 424 billion pesos in lump sum and a new version of the partially unconstitutional disbursement acceleration program. More from Elena Luna.
Malacanang stressed there is nothing illegal or unlawful in the crafting and implementation of the 2015 national budget. PCOO Secretary Sonny Coloma reiterated this in response to former Senator Panfilo Lacson's that there are more than 400 billion pesos of discretionary funds which he said are prone to corruption.
Isa sa mahalagang reforma na ipinatupad ni Pangulong Aquino ang tapat at tamang paggamit ng pondo ng bayan. Ito ay nakabatay sa napapanahong pagpasa ng pambansang budget na naipatupad taon-taon simula noong 2011.
Lacson claims the 400 billion worth of discretionary funds are found in just 11 of 21 major line agencies of the national government. But Secretary Coloma explains there is transparency in government spending and expenses made by government agencies can be seen in the website of the Department of Budget and Management.
Meron ng status of allotment releases at status of disbursements at report on utilization of cash allocation. Sa ganitong paraan, ipinababatid sa mga mamamayan ang lahat ng pinaglaanan ng pondo na nakapaloob sa pambansang budget.
In case the funds are illegally utilized, there will be consequences. Secretary Coloma also assured the act will not escape the watchful eye of the Commission on Audit.
Ang bawat kagawaran at ahensya ay nagsusumite ng monthly at quarterly reports sa DBM. At ang mga ulat na ito ang batayan para makatanggap ng pondo para sa susunod na buwan. Bukod pa rito, lahat ng transaksyon patungkol sa paggamit ng budget ay patuloy suri ng Commission on Audit na may kapangyarihang magpalabas ng notices of suspension o disallowance kung ang paggastos ay labag sa batas.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.